Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for Fish It game for my Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices and also with your PC. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on browse all scripts. And then we will search for Fish It. Click there, guys. It will load up like this. And then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here. Or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser. Go to your profile like this. And just make sure to copy your profile URL. Why? Because in your profile URL, there is your user ID, this small number. So when you copy whole URL of your profile, let's get back to our tool. Just make sure to paste it by clicking there. So from your whole URL, it will only scrape your user ID. And when you paste it, just make sure to click connect account. And you should get this message, user found and your name and your avatar. There we go, guys. And now it's a really important step because in order to use scripts for Fish It, we will have to get any executor for our Roblox. So don't worry because we can do it now. And if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, make sure to select I already have a different executor. And if you have no, like me, just make sure to select no and click import newest Delta executor. So there we go, guys. Now we will select all the scripts that we would like to add to our Delta. So I will select Forge Hub, NICUs, Overflow, Soluna, and Blast Hub. These 5 scripts, you can also Google what they do and what options they have. So when you select this, just click continue. API will start connecting like this, guys. And make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials because I'll record it more. So look at this, guys. API is connected, nice. Our 5 scripts selected already and we got our activation key. Nice, guys, there we go. And now we will have this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just make sure to click I'm not a robot and we should get verified real quick. So there we go, guys. Look at this. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID connected and our key connected, but it's unrevealed now. Nice, guys. And now we will open our Roblox to test Fish It and does it actually work. So guys, let's see. There we go. Click play. So guys, we should receive our Delta executor along 5 scripts that we have selected. So let's see, is it actually working? And there we go, guys. We got our Delta, nice. And let's see 4 scripts: Overflow, Blast Hub, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected. So guys, let me get to the edge here and let's see, is it actually working? So we will test Blast Hub, for example. Let's click execute and let's see, there we go. Look at this, guys. We already got auto farm, we have teleports, we have spawn bots, shop. Look at this, guys. We have literally a lot of options. So let's enable this auto farm, guys, and let's test, is it actually working? So let me click once again. Oops. Auto fish, auto farm. And guys, look at this. It will start auto farming and you can explore literally more options from all those scripts that we have imported and selected. You can also Google it, guys. It's pretty sick. You can do literally whatever you like with this script. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm so happy that it actually worked. So bloxforge.com is the only website where you can get all those scripts for free and it will work really quick. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you next video.